हेलो एवरीवन। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है केस 4 ऑफ पार्शियल फ्रैक्शंस एंड वील डू दिस विद तबीर अकेडमी. So basically in case 4 we deal with repeated quadratic factors in the denominator, which is similar to case 2 but now with quadratic terms. So if we have a quadratic factor like x square plus 1 whole square, it means it is appearing twice. So we represent it by adding terms for each power up to the highest exponent. So we have a separate fraction for each. One will have x plus 1 as the denominator. Second will have x plus 1 whole square as the denominator. And then thirdly, जब एक quadratic factor है denominator में, then we'll add cx plus d as the numerator. And similarly दोबारा हम x square plus 1 whole square की एक fraction add करेंगे, and it will have ex plus f as the numerator. And we will solve this similarly जैसे हमने पिछले 3 cases में solve किया था. We'll multiply both sides by the denominator, जिसकी वजह से हमारा denominator eliminate हो जाएगा. And then separately by equating each denominator equal to 0, हम values put करेंगे x की into the equation, which will eventually give us values for a b c d and e f.